Introduction to TanStack query. So hello everyone, we'll be looking into an essential tool for application development using React, which is TanStack query. This was previously known as React query, and this library is important for anyone looking to simplify the complexities of data fetching, caching, synchronizing, and updating server state in their web applications. So TanStack query not only makes these tasks more manageable, but also enhances the efficiency of your applications. Motivation behind TanStack query. So we probably need to talk about why library like TanStack query was developed in the first place. So React as itself does not provide an opinionated method for fetching or updating data. So it leaves developers to come up with their own solution. And this often results in either building some meta framework or cobbling together various libraries to manage asynchronous data. And especially these days with server state, this provides even unique challenges. So when server state is stored remotely, it requires asynchronous interaction and is subject to changes that developers might not immediately be aware of. And these factors can make managing server state particularly tricky. And here is an example of making an API call using fetch without using a library like TanStack query. And you will need to use useState and useEffect to fetch data. Challenges of managing server state. We will talk more about server state in a different lecture, but just to give you a brief overview, managing server state can involve several complex challenges. So, for example, you need to cache the server state, and it is critical, but it can be difficult in programming because it involves deduplicating multiple requests for the same data into a single request. And there are other challenges, including updating outdated data in the background, knowing when data becomes stale, and implementing performance optimizations such as pagination and lazy loading. So managing these issues effectively is really important for maintaining application performance and reliability. Why TanStack query? There are other libraries, but this library also streamlines the handling of state by cutting down the complicated code in your application. It replaces them with a more concise and understandable set of functionalities. This not only makes your application more maintainable, but also easier to scale and extend with new features. Furthermore, by improving data management, TanStack query can significantly enhance the user experience, making applications feel quicker and more responsive. features and benefits. So what TanStack query does, it offers caching. It offers to help you with managing caching, updating data in the background, handles request deduplication. So these are difficult tasks that TanStack query can automate, and this library works out of the box with minimal configuration, and there are a lot of configuration that you can change to meet more complex scenarios. And additionally, they have developer tools such as ESLint plugin to catch any bugs or coding consistencies as you develop. So getting started with TanStack query is pretty straightforward. You can go to their site and go to installation page. You can just install TanStack query via npm, or if you're you can also directly import from a CDN, but you're recommended to install via npm, and the library is compatible with modern version of React and supports range of modern browsers. So we will go over the details of each features of TanStack query in subsequent lectures. Thank you everyone for listening.